Hello, good evening. My Bitcoin video today. Here we go. Right. Be looking at the correlation between Bitcoin and gold and the strengthening of this positive correlation. It's at all-time highs now. So Bitcoin is viewed as a safe haven as gold is the highest it's ever been. Let me just show that to you. There we can see there, look, that throughout its history, it's had ups and downs, but it's gone really high, the correlation, as you can see there. It's gone beyond 0.5 and it's at all-time highs. So yeah, it's a good thing for Bitcoin. The sensitivity to movements in risk assets is lowering a little bit. So we had a bad couple of days in the S&P and the Dow Jones, and Bitcoin didn't really correlate. It defended 10,000 quite stoutly after the correction last week. The repeat defense of this 10,000 mark for the fifth straight day, coupled with several bullish on-chain developments, suggests there is a scope for the recovery in Bitcoin now. And because the one leading indicator that I look at a lot in Bitcoin is the hash rate. The hash rate has gone to all-time highs. It took no notice of the correction last week from $12,400 to 9,900. The hash rate is at all-time highs. It's 150 x hashes per second. So, as I say, completely unfazed, very positive and bullish signs for Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin to bounce back possibly, but only when it gets above 10,473, which is a confluence of resistance there at 10,473. And I'm saying that once it goes beyond that, that's a buy signal for me. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you now and have a couple of charts that I've been looking at. So buy for the moment. We'll look at Bitcoin US dollar. And from the highs at the beginning of September to the lows, as you can see, Bitcoin is fighting the 236 fib at 10,349. It's just gone beyond that now. It's breaking through now, which could be a key maneuver. And then the next target we'll be looking for is the 10,675 in Bitcoin. It's an interesting development that we've just gone beyond the 236 fib, because this is usually, as you can see, from the drop we bottomed out and we've gone up, tested it, come down, gone up, tested it, not closed above it, not closed the 4-hour candle. Anyway, we've gone back down to the lows. The lows have been defended, and then we're up, and we've just gone beyond the 236. It will be interesting to see if we can close that 4-hour candle beyond the Fibonacci 236. We're just breaking 10,400. I think 10,473 is a key amount on the daily chart. Let's switch to the daily chart here. We will look at the Fibonacci. We will get rid of this one. We'll look at the fib retracement. There we've had strong. We're using the 618 now as strong support. So from the lows to the highs, the 618, we dropped down to the 618, the golden ratio, and that's been support. So that's an interesting development on the daily chart. Let's have a quick look at Eth Bitcoin. Eth Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, Ethereum in the last few moments has also broken through the 382 Fibonacci. So yeah, just recently, just before I set these up actually, we've had some bullish developments in Ethereum Bitcoin, which has now gone beyond the 382. It'll be interesting if it can close the 4-hour candle above that point. Okay.